Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. Welcome to week 8. I want to preface this by saying some of you have still yet to submit your exam 1. Be sure to finish exam 1 by this Sunday at midnight. That would be February the 20th at midnight. I'm hopeful that the exam wasn't too tough for you. The majority of you did really well. So thank you for your really concentrated effort on studying. I think that helped you in the long run. And then further, I think reading the material also helped. So we're jumping into chapter 6, which is really important. There's a lot of great information in here. It's a longer chapter, of course, as you can tell by the video. So be sure to read through it and understand the material as best as you can. Further, again, there's a chapter 6 review questions that are due this week. Medical malpractice insurance video is another important element that I added in there that will be interesting for you to look at. Otherwise, we're back into the swing of things in regards to a normal week. You still have your review questions. If you need to repeat your review questions, I'm happy to open it again because it's meant to be helpful, not per se a quiz. So if you need anything, please reach out. I appreciate all you're doing. Thankful that you did so well so far in the exam and looking forward to the rest of the semester. Thanks so much.